Hi, Assalamualaikum to my fellow friends and respected lecturer, Miss Amizatul. Thank you for the time and attention. Today we are going to talk about unemployment in Nigeria, a major problem that affects millions of people in the country. We will explain the statistic, issue, impact, policy and conclusion of unemployment in Nigeria. Before we start, allow us to introduce our group members. Firstly, Nurul Aimi binti Syahari, Nur Balkish binti Muhammad Yasin, Nik Aziatul Nadia binti Nim Zaiman, and me, Nur Atika Azhani binti Abdullah. We work together to completing this task with full commitment for our presentation.
Firstly, I will start with the definition of unemployment. What is unemployment? So, the definition of the unemployment is a situation that refers to a person who are able, willing, and actively to seek for a job. Unemployment also considered as the help to the economy, but the unemployment does not include to a person who are leave the workforce for a reason such as retirement, higher education, and disability. Next, I will explain about the Nigeria country. Nigeria country is located in West Africa. The level of the employment is a mirror image of a state. In Nigeria, overdependence of the country in oil brought a boom in 1970 when the economy set in recession. The recession of the country is the leading to the higher level of unemployment. In Nigeria 2023, the unemployment was in 3.07%, which is a decline from 2022, which is 0.75%.
Hi, I will explain statistics of employment in Nigeria. Let's see the bar chart. Statistics of employment in Nigeria from 2016 till 2025. In 2016, the employment rate is 4.50%. That is increasing to 4.83% in 2017. Next, the rate is increasing to 5.07% in 2018. Then, 2019, it is increasing to 5.21%. After that, it is increasing to 5.71% in 2020. Next, 2021, the rate is decreasing to 5.39%. In 2022, it is increasing to 3.83%. Next, in 2023, the rate is decreasing to 3.07%. After that, it is increasing to 4.30%. And lastly, in 2025, the rate is increasing to 4.8%. Next, I will explain the table of Nigeria employment rate. The table below shows the Nigeria employment rate from 2016 till 2025. Hi, I will explain skill mismatch and education gaps, and also dominance of informal economy. In skill mismatch and education gap, they have three types. First, many graduates lack practical or employable skill. Number two, the education system is not elegant with labor market demands. And number three, high graduate employment despite academic qualification. Okay, next, dominance of informal economy. In dominance of informal economy, they also have three types. First, over 85% of workers are informal. unstable and low-paying jobs. Number 2, lack of social security or job protection. Number 3, informal of job do not contribute significantly to sustainable economic growth.
Okay, now I will explain the impact of unemployment in Nigeria, which divided into two types. Firstly, economic effects. Secondly, social effects. First, in terms of economic effects, increasing poverty rates means when someone is unemployed, they have no source of income to eat. This causes many to fall below the poverty line. You know, Nigeria is among the countries with the highest poverty rates in the world, which is made worse by the high unemployment rate. Number 2 is decreasing consumer spending. When many people are unemployed, they spend less on spending money. This causes the demand for goods and services also decrease. As a result, businesses suffer losses, and this can lead to more job losses too. The next one is in terms of social effect. The firstly, mental health issue. Prolonged unemployment can cause stress, anxiety, and lack of self-confidence, especially noticeable among youths and graduates students. The last one, family and social instability. Financial problem in the family due to unemployment can lead to domestic crises such as divorce, domestic violence, and social stress. Overall, can I say is unemployment not only affect to the individuals, they can affect to family too. And also economic and social stability in the country.
Hi, I will present about the first policy, which is the N-Power Program, a Nigerian government initiative under the National Social Investment Program. Its main goal is to reduce youth unemployment by giving young Nigerians, which is aged 18 to 35 years old, for the job skills and temporary work in public sectors. Participants earn 30,000 to 40,000 per month, and the program lasts 12 to 24 months. It's managed by the Ministry of Humanization Affairs and related departments. There are 4 main parts, which is N-Teach for teaching in school, N-Help for healthcare help, N-Agro for agriculture support, and also N-Build and Tech for skills training. Over 500,000 youth have joined since 2016. It helped reduce short-term unemployment, but there are still challenges like late payments and also few permanent jobs after the program. In short, N-Power gives valuable experience to young Nigerians but need improvement for long-term impact. Next, I will present about the second policy, which is 3MTT program, which stands for 3 million technical talent. The goal is to train 3 million tech skill youth by 2027 so Nigeria can compete in the digital economy and reduce tech-related unemployment. It targets young Nigerians who want to learn digital and ICT skills such as software engineering, data analysis, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and also artificial intelligence known as AI. The program uses a hybrid model, both online and in-person training through verified partners. Training is free with some device financing options. It's managed by NITDA, the National Information Technology Development Agency. The first group started in late 2023. It aims to build a tech talent pipeline for both local and global job markets. Challenges include payment delays to trainers and low course completion rates in some areas. Overall, 3MTT is a big step in building Nigeria's future tech workforce. Thank you.
In conclusion, the unemployment is the serious issue to the country that will give the negative effect, which is to the jobless person. Besides that, the unemployment also can happen due to modern in manufacturing industry, which is in trying to the developing new technology. In another look, this can lead to the low to input and outputs of workers' productivity.
Before we end our presentation, here are the references that we use. They include reports from the National Bureau of Statistics, UN Women, and UNDP, as well as official websites like the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and the 3MTT portal. These sources help support the information on youth unemployment, skill development, and policy implementation in Nigeria. That's all from us. Thank you.